Hello everyone, welcome back to AI for Everyone. In our previous video, we looked at how AIs can use something called machine learning in order to imitate the way a human learns and perform tasks like a human would. But what if we took this one step further? What if we created an AI that could speak like a human, that could communicate like a human? I think you all know what I'm talking about. It's an inevitable chatbot, or in other words, ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool has been blowing up everywhere, from helping people write essays, code, and brainstorm ideas, to, well, answering some of life's biggest questions. Okay, maybe not all of life's biggest questions, but seriously, this AI is doing some mind-blowing stuff, and today we're going to explore how ChatGPT might just be the future of AI. So what is ChatGPT? Well, simply put, it's an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can have human-like conversations with you. It's based on a technology called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. But how does it actually work? ChatGPT is powered by a large language model, which is a super smart system that has been trained on massive amounts of text data, from books, websites, and more. Now it uses this training and data to understand language patterns, generate responses, and even come up with new ideas. But here's the catch, it doesn't think like humans. Instead, it's really good at predicting what comes next in a conversation based on what it's learned. So now that we've covered the basics of what ChatGPT is, let's dive deeper into the meaning behind GPT. So let's break down this acronym. Generative.
Hey guys, it's me, Nova. How have you guys been? I'm going to take it from Deval now, and I'm going to explain the generative part of GPT. So in this case, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate me a script to which I can say, hey guys, to you. Let's see how fast it can do it. And would you look at that? ChatGPT immediately makes me a script, within seconds of me asking it. And now, since I like songs, I'm going to ask it to change it into a beautiful, fun song. Would you look at that? Immediately after asking it, it made me a 3-verse song. This is really useful. This is an example of the G in GPT, which stands for generative. It can create new text, which is based on all the data that's been fed to it. Now let's take a look at the pre-training part. Before ChatGPT could respond intelligently, it went through a process called pre-training. This is where it learned from an enormous amount of text data, like books, websites, and even conversations. During this pre-training phase, the AI learned the patterns, structure, and relationships in language. Now, it doesn't need to learn everything from scratch. It already knows a lot about how humans communicate. Think of it as a student who has studied a wide variety of subjects and is ready to use that knowledge to help you. However, it's important to know that pre-training doesn't mean it has memorized everything. It's more like it has developed a strong foundation to predict what comes next in a conversation. So, when you ask it something, it uses patterns it's learned to come up with the answer on the spot. But here's the cool part. Because it's been pre-trained on such a huge and diverse dataset, ChatGPT can handle all kinds of topics, from technical subjects like physics or computer science to casual everyday conversation. And as new versions come out, they're trained on even more diverse and recent information, making each new model smarter than the last. And finally, the transformer part. The transformer is the really cool technology that powers the whole system. It's a specific type of neural network architecture, which is just a fancy way of saying it helps the AI understand and process text efficiently. What makes transformers special is their ability to focus on different parts of the input text, like figuring out which words are most important in a sentence or how they relate to another. For example, in this sentence, the cat sat on the mat, the transformer knows that the mat relates to sat, and the cat is the one doing the sitting. This structure allows ChatGPT to create responses that sound natural and coherent, even with long or complex inputs. Well, that's all from me for explaining what GPT means. I'm going to hand it back to Deval.
Thank you very much, Nova, for explaining what GPT means. Now let's take a look at the limitations of ChatGPT. Like every technology, ChatGPT has its limitations. It can sometimes give wrong answers, especially if it hasn't seen the exact question before. And since it's not actually intelligent like a human, it doesn't know whether the information it's providing is always 100% correct. So, it's always important to double check any facts you get from ChatGPT. Or else, you might end up like my friend Jerry.
We've been working on this for a while. It's a anti-gravity sim. I meant to close that.
Anyways, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked the video about ChatGPT. I will be making more videos about it and AI in general. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Since most of our videos are just concept-based as of now, I want to give you guys the next choice for my next video. We can either explore autonomous driving, self-driving cars and AI, or we can explore AI in filmmaking. Whichever one you guys want to see in the next video, please comment in the comment section below. The one with the most votes will become my next video. Okay everyone, that's it for this video. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.